Hello everyone, welcome back to Python full stack course. In this session, I will cover programming assignment and their solution on tuple. Already I discussed tuple and their operation in the last video. If you want more details, you can click on the I button to explore the tuple. We know that the tuple is a sequence of immutable Python object and the tuple value cannot be changed. The difference between tuple and list is tuple cannot be changed while the list value can be changed. So now one by one, I solve the question and their solution through coding. So let us start with the first question. That is, write a program to reverse the tuple with an element. So here I'll take the 5 element. So first of all, we have to create a tuple. So whenever we create a tuple, it's an opening closing bracket, and within that we can write a certain element. So these are the 5 elements. Here we can take n number of elements as well. So first of all, we create a tuple and just I compile the statement. A tuple is created with 5 elements. Now we have to perform reverse operation on the given tuple. So I create a second tuple which hold a reverse element of the tuple 1. So that operation we can perform tuple in bracket. We have to perform a reverse on the tuple t1. So I just reverse the tuple t1 and will be stored into t2. And then we will print the second tuple t2, which will be a reverse of the tuple 1. I compile this two statement so that we will get a reverse list of a given tuple. So in this way, we can reverse any particular tuple by using a reverse function. Coming towards the next program, next assignment, that is, write a program to unpack the tuple with several variables. So we have to unpack a given tuple. So now here I create a next tuple, that is t3, with certain element, that is 1, 2, 3. These are the element which is inside a tuple, that is t3. First of all, I just print this given tuple. So I just create a tuple and print. So I just compile this. We will get 1, 2, 3. It will be printed in tuple t3. Now we have to unpack this tuple into a variable. So how to do that? So I just create a name of variable a, p, c is equal to a given tuple t3. So it will be unpack t3 with the 3 different variables, that is a equal to 1, b equal to 2 and c equal to 3. We will just print one by one variable, that is a I am going to print first, then I am going to print b, then I am going to print c. So now what will happen? This value of t3, that is 1, 2, 3 will be assigned to these several variables. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2 and c is equal to 3. Now we will compile this code. We will get output a equal to 1, b equal to 2 and c equal to 3. So in this way, we can unpack the tuple into variables. Coming towards the next program, that is, write a program to convert tuple into string. So whatever the tuple is given, we have to convert this tuple into string. So first of all, we will create one tuple. So here I will create tuple t4 is equal to certain character. So here I will take 5 characters. Say Gokul, and will be stored inside a t4. Once I compile this t4, a tuple t4 is get created with that 5 characters. Now we have to convert this given tuple into a string. So how to do that? There is a certain method using that we can convert this tuple into string. So we can store this in string 1 is equal to quotes. It's a function. What we have to do? We have to join. So one by one, every character is being joined in terms of string. So I want to join this tuple t4. So what will happen when this function will execute? So whatever the character inside that bracket will be joined and will be stored into str1. So once I print str1, a whole result will be stored in str1. So now I compile this two statement to get an output. So here we can get a complete string, that is all. So in this way, we can convert a given tuple into a string. Coming towards the next one, that is, write a program to find the number of occurrences of element. So first of all, we will create one tuple, that is t5, and we will just write a certain element occurrences many times. So I thought it's a complete replication 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 element. So each element, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 occur twice in the given tuple. So first of all, I just create this tuple 5. So t5 is created with 11 elements. Now we have to find out the occurrences of each and every element which is inside the tuple. So I'll take a variable count is equal to t5 dot count is a method which will be count the occurrences of element. So if I want to count the number of occurrences of y, so I just print the count so that we'll get the output. I just compile this 2 statement, we'll get the occurrences of 1 is 2. So if I increase the occurrences of 1 is 4, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I just compile every statement, we'll get the occurrences of 1 is 4. If I write occurrences of 6, which is only once in the tuple, we will get output is 1. So in this way, we can perform a various operation on tuple. So I hope you understand the every program. If you still have any doubt in any program, you can write in the comment section. So I'll give a more explanation of your doubt. I hope you like the content or I save your time. Please support the video by sharing with your friends. If you not subscribe my channel yet, then please do subscribe and press the notification bell icon to get the latest information. Thanks for watching this video.